I've got these, I think they're 4mm. Yeah, they're 4mm. And they're orange beads. I don't know how well the color will show up on the camera. Sometimes it alters the color. But I've cut probably too long of a piece of wire here. I've got 2 pieces. They're 5 inches long. This would be plenty to work with. And then I've probably got 2 foot of 26-inch wire. And I have more out if we need it. And it's copper. So what I'm going to do, I've got 2 GoPros going. I'm going to redo this one I did the other day because I was out of shot. So I'm going to hold it and wrap it around, 4 times. Push it together. Now, I'll take all these. There's 10 of them. There's 10 of them. And I'm going to take them all and string them on. Need to put my glasses on. Well, this will be the pendant for the set, but at least it'll show you how to do the earrings too, because I'm going to do them all exact the same way. I dropped it. And I'm going to make a little loop here, just to keep all them on there until I get to the end. I'm not going to make it where I can't use that wire. But what we're going to do is we're going to take a bead, hold it there, and wrap it. I've been wrapping them twice. So put another bead up there. And I'll wrap it twice. Drop another bead. Wrap it twice. I'm running a load of wash. I don't know if y'all can hear the washer emptying now or not. A load of clothes in the washer. Wrap it twice. Wrap it twice. Drop another one down. Wrap it twice. Another one down. Wrap it twice. And then no, I've got 2 more. They're trying to escape, that's why they're not. Well, it ain't really a knot, but Wrap it twice. Then put the next one on and wrap it 4 times. Sorry about hitting the camera. So there is your wrap. Push it all together. Yeah, I was making a few pairs, and I guess I bumped my camera because I was in the screen there for a long time, and then something happened and I wasn't any longer. So that's what we look like right now. I'm gonna cut these wires. Really, I would like to figure out a way to connect it without cutting those wires. We might try that. But let's leave those wires there for right now, because I'm gonna connect. Well, I think I should have went the other way. Don't matter. We'll go this way. That'll be our front. Man, where's my pliers? Let's grab these. I think I have it tighter together than the earrings, so this one will be just a tad different whenever you do them at the same time. But since I lost that, well, I didn't lose it, I was just out of screen. We'll cut that off right there. Alright, now let's see what we can do with, because this is what we're putting on next. I used a separate wire on the earrings to do that. But there's got to be a way to get that in there. Bring my wire around to the front. And I'm going to go ahead and stick the other wire through the other side. I can get it to cooperate. I just need a longer wire is what I need, I think. There. Pull it down through there. Let's see if I can feed that wire through. Probably be better to use a separate wire, but since this is going to be against clothes, I didn't. I see it'd been better if you'd had a longer tail. So just leave a longer tail and go through. Set that next one down to the last one. Okay. Now, since I'm going to make a pendant out of this one, I'm going to make a bigger loop up here at the top, but you would make a littler loop for the bottom. For an earring up towards this end. But since I'm going to make this one so it will on the earrings you'll turn it. It will be facing that way. Making it big enough to hold a chain. And I'm going to hold it. Go around it. One time. Look at this. There's a pendant to go with your earrings, but you'll do the earrings just the same way. And if you just want to connect this with a separate piece of 26 gauge wire, that'll work. It's a little loose. Now I'm going to go around with that. And push it down. Bring it on back and cut it. On the inside, pull that tight. Cut it on the inside if I can. Yep. There. Try to center that a little bit. Pull that up a little bit. Probably should have had thinner wire. I'll clip it here. Looking one. You just twist it. Okay. And when you wrap them across the top, wrap one going this way, wrap the other one going that way, so they match. Yeah, they're similar, but they're a little bit different. And see, you'll have extra wire up here at the top if you wrap these separate. And they were looser. Somehow I got that one tighter. That's the idea. Well, y'all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully I can figure out this video editing and lining up cameras. And I hope I didn't bump this one. Alright. Y'all have a good one. Until next time. Bye-bye.